Hi, in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can program the remote with this Genie Intellicode garage door opener. Hi, so in today's video I'm gonna be talking about Genie Intellicode remote, and I just bought it on Amazon for a couple of bucks. And this is old machine that we lost remote control, so I just want to give you a couple of information about it, how to program it. So right here you have a button which you have to push and the light is going to be blinking, and then you have to click a button once, button twice, and on a third time it's gonna be opening. In my particular situation, this remote control does not want to close the door because the whole Genie unit is very old. I think it's from the 80s, so it does not have a sensors that would prevent the door from slamming if somebody's gonna be between the door. So I can only open the door, but I cannot close it. If you want to erase the codes, if you lost the remote, you have to hold it. The light is gonna be blinking, and then we're gonna wait until this is going to stop. So right now the codes are basically erased. Now I can program it again. So I just push this one once, you see the light. I push one of the buttons that I want, the light is solid, and the third time now it's blinking, which means it is programmed. So I have to hold it manually to close the door, but when I push the button the garage will open. If you have any questions, send me an email. I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.